Hello beautiful people, welcome to this challenge. Today we have to build a calculator. I did not copy anything from my official tutorial for this challenge because this is basically it. I have to create a calculator using what I learned so far, right? Like dictionaries, um, the... I think in this one, yeah, I have to see, but I think I don't have return in it. Yeah. What else? I wanted to say something about the new thing that I will use. Recursion. I think it's called recursion when you use a function to call itself. I think it's recursion, something like that. Okay, let's go inside PyCharm. Okay, I tried here something. Right. So we have to build a calculator, a basic calculator, right? Like when you type in Google calculator, you'll have a calculator. That calculator will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so I have to admit that I tried this challenge yesterday, offline, and it goes like this. We have to define addition. Actually, we have to place here Okay, now let's copy this and paste it 4 times. And change here, we say subtraction. Here is subtraction as well. Here is multiplication. And here it's division. Bam. All right. Now that we have the functions, we have to create a dictionary. All right, we copy this 4 times. Okay, and here we say addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here we say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Cool. Now, I've tried this challenge offline because I did not know that I can use inside our dictionaries for values. I did not know that I can use functions. So that is why I tested this, let's say, challenge yesterday. Now when we call any operation, we basically have our value for this key. If we say, let me show you. Okay, so I can achieve this in two ways. I can say it here, what operation do you want? Plus, minus, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And or I can use a for loop to print the keys. There you go. Um, right. Now, let's create first number equals with an integer for the input of first number. Copy paste for second number. Here we say second as well. Bomb. Okay, now okay, let's create the input. No, I will say what calculation do you want to perform? All right, and bring together operator fun. Now here we have the result will be, let me think. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, we have multiplication, we have 6, and we have, let's see, 7. Yeah, it works. 8 divided by, wait, 8. We want the division, 8 and 9. Nice. So we completed this challenge. Let's check again. So we have our functions for the operations. Here we have the dictionary with the keys for strings and values for every operation. There is the functions above functions. After that we have the calculations, which after the user input will activate in the dictionaries. We have the first number and the second number. After that, the operation that the user picks will activate with these two inputs. And we print the output. Let's do so I've done everything. We have to do a subtraction, and I completed everything. Subtraction, wait, not multiplication. Subtraction. Let's say 6 minus 99 minus 93. Awesome, guys. So in the next challenge, I will improve on this code so the user can go again and he can do another calculation based on this result, or he can start a fresh new calculation. For that, subscribe and stay tuned. And of course, come by tomorrow and we'll do it together. Bye and have a great day.